Welcome back to yet another part of Top 50 Excel Shortcut series. If you have not seen the earlier part of this series, then please see it because you are missing something very important. I have provided the link of the same in the description box below. This is the fourth part of the series, so stay tuned. Hello, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Number 16. Start a new line in the same cell. Although this can't be categorized under shortcut. But since this is very important and you can't figure this out in any menu or ribbon, I have included this in the shortcuts with Alt Enter in Windows and Control Option written in Mac. You can start a new line in the same cell. Number 17. Enter the same value in multiple cells. This shortcut will amaze you once you understand how it works. Use Control Enter when you want to enter the same value in multiple cells. This is a great way to save time when you want to enter the same value or formula in a group of cells. You can even use this shortcut to enter a value into a cell and stay in that same cell instead of hitting enter. Number 18. Insert current date or time. To enter the current date, use Control semicolon, and to enter the current time, use Control Shift colon. In case you want to enter both in same cell, use both shortcuts one after the other by separating date and time with comma or space. Number 19. Fill down or fill right. This handy shortcuts allow you to quickly copy data from the above cell or from the left cell without using copy paste shortcut. To copy a value from the above cell, use Ctrl D. To copy data from the cell to the left, use Ctrl R. If you want to fill multiple cells, just select source cell and target cells and hit the shortcut. Number 20. Format Dialog Box. This shortcut comes handy when you have your ribbon hidden and do not want to unhide it. Just for the sake of formatting cells, use Ctrl 1 to open Formatting Dialog Box and you will find all formatting options at one place. The best part about this shortcut is that you can also use this when you are working on charts or shapes or smart art or pretty much anything. The formatting dialog box will appear depending upon what you are working on. I hope this shortcut will change the way you work in Excel. If you found this video useful, please like and share this with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. See you soon in next video with part 5 of this series. Thanks for watching.